What's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another reaction. About to check out Danger RSA Conversation at Work Part 9. I think this guy is the most slept on artist in South A. Like he slept on, he's supposed to be there. And I can't wait to also see him on the Twizer show. I think he will kill the Twizer show, especially the new segment, the offside one. He can kill that episode. So make sure that you like, share, subscribe. Let's watch Danger. Let's go. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah. Recording live.
Bakwatile baphethikhali bakhathele ile poor service delivery lento bathayiqala manje qala ikhona kuloko kuvotela ama mayor after mayor still kudliwa imali manje indlela zonke sigcwele ama potholes and ngabe community salindele ukuthi ithola amanzi leyo ndaba iye kwatisa abahlali cause kusukela kudala ikhalo zabo bangazinaki phuma amathenda wokulungisela umphakathi mara ushintsha libonakali ever since ngoJanuary ngapha nemeya naye iqeda ukuthenga ikari esezingeni eliphezulu le bayibiza ngeFerrari ukhohliwe nangedingo zomphakathi batumise nemeeting ngoba usesele eDubai bazame nokumthintana ngefone wa reply wathi kibo bangawari uzobabona ngoJuly yabona leyo ke escalate isimo namhlanje ba strikeile badangisha ucisha ucingo umphakathi ukwatile manje awuzwa nalomsindo sekusele nakancane ukuthi baqala ukushisa umlilo it's very dangerous ukudlula ngapha kule ndlela ngcono uhlale lapho khona imoto ikatshwa nangezinto especially kule viki ngcono uhlale kini uphephe bathi strike sochubeka until kubonakala ushintsho I'm now handing it over to a local resident asichazele kahle ngalesimo esenzekayo asitshele nange plan going forward ngalodaba asichazele netkancane ukuthi yini efuneka
Bro, like ish, I can't stress this enough. This guy slept on. This guy slept on. Like good Danger is being slept on, bro, and it's sad to see talent elikanje ndoda abantu bangalinothisi, especially in SA hip hop, bro. The only person who's willing to help such people Twizer and put them on, and Speaker, shout out to Speaker also. Those are the type of people who are willing to help these kind of talented people like us, bro.
ikhalo zomphakathi kanye konke okudingekayo asichazele kabanzi ngazo zonke idingo zabo nokuthi basimisela ukufika kuphi makungashintshi umphakathi othatha ziphi izinyathelo ezilandelayo
sanibonani uthi amukhulumayo mara mina bangaziyo bangibiza ngoDedikayo le ndawo imoshakele enesiloko siyathenjiswa mara still namhlanje kunanix enyakazayo labantu sibavotele ukuthi basebenzele ikasi but bathatha leyo mali bazenzele izinto zabo kumele sibakhumbuze ukuthi izinto azambi njalo sibashiselele imoto batukhamba nangenyawo namhlanje siyabakhomba ukuthi thina siyoninsango sodlula sithatha amanye ama-comrade ngalethambo siqala ukumasha from eMkhala to Orlando siyovimba zonke indlela ngamabhodlela esibiyankho
sikhulumile isakhamuzi sale ndawo sithi kuncane sikubonayo kusesekhulu lokho kusayo this is Danger signing out from eMkhala asihlangane tomorrow ezindabeni ezilandelayo
Nah, guys, good Danger is being slept on, guys. And these things are reality. Izinto ezenzakalayo guys. They are pothole, bro. Mamas. Like he's touching on serious issues. Shout out. The name of the artist to Danger. Check him out on TikTok, Danger RSA. Check him out on Facebook, Danger RSA. I don't know about Instagram. Eish. Danger afuni ke Instagram angazwa Danger and ku-Instagram bamdinga da even the likes of Nimrod Nkosi, the legendary Nimrod Nkosi once DM'd me. I think yeah, he once DM'd me and asked me about Danger. Then I gave him his social media platforms or accounts on TikTok and Facebook, bro. Danger adingakala ku TikTok, ku Instagram. If you know Danger or you are part of his management team, let him know. Uyadingakala ku TikTok, ku Instagram. I go by the name The Helmets. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, engage. Let me know what you think. If you're an artist, tag me on social media platforms. The Helmets. Yeah, The Helmets. Tag me on your stuff. I'ma bump it. If it's worth the reaction, I'ma react to it. That's how we help like other artists grow. I was once an artist. I know how it is to be an underground artist and to be unnoticed. So making a difference. Yeah.